Today is day 8. It's Monday, the start of week 2. And yeah, not much happened today, so had some personal stuff I had to take care of, so I didn't record anything, but I'm at the church right now. And as you can see right here on Forex Factory for the week, I think we have CPI Wednesday, so Monday and Tuesday is not really interesting for me to trade. Maybe Tuesday there could be some potential setups. However, I did take one setup today on Monday, and I took it actually on Bitcoin. So on the previous video, I talked about like how I missed this setup right here, where I wanted to enter on this daily gap right here to target this low. Unfortunately, the trade ended up at break even, right? However, I also talked about how we are coming off of this weekly fair value gap right here, and I talked about how I wanted to see signs on the 4 hour of this fair value gap to hold and potentially run this high right here, and that's what happened today. We had a huge move up, and for me this was an opportunity for me to take a buy, because on the weekly it's a sign that we're respecting this PD array to go to this swing high that I marked up. And for now I'm in profit, so I might break even on this trade, and we could potentially have a second entry if price comes back down into these 4 hour fair value gaps. Hopefully they don't come back there. That would invalidate my trade, honestly, and that's why I'm at break even right now. And so yeah, price could either respect these 4 hour fair gap to target the weekly high, or they could disrespect it and take me out. So we'll see how it plans out. For now I'm in profit, so that's nice. And on the daily we can see we are potentially forming a daily fair value gap, so maybe tomorrow we could be consolidating for price to maybe form this daily fair value gap and then go lower to target this high, or we can go higher from the 4 hour fair value gap that I marked up. So yeah, that's it for Bitcoin. And honestly, the dollar, I don't know what it's doing. It's clearly consolidating. Like, we swept this high, for we are forming so many 4 hour fair value gaps, bearish and bullish ones. So right now I'm just sitting out, not touching anything on Forex right now. And yeah, there's CPI, so I'm waiting for CPI to make its move, and then I could potentially look for something. The S&P 500, not that interesting, honestly. On the monthly, we are clearly looking to hit all-time highs right here, and on the weekly we had this fair value gap, but now I can honestly erase it. Like, we are going higher without retracing it, and we are maybe disrespecting this bearish weekly fair value gap. So the next target right now, it's this high right here, which is the monthly high. However, we could still, like, the week just started, so we could still sweep this high and maybe go lower. But I don't want to follow. I don't want to be bearish when price has just gone up. So the best right now is to just look for buys. However, there isn't any like good PD arrays to go higher from. We had this bearish daily fair value gap, a bullish daily fair value gap that was nice to trade into, but I couldn't take advantage of it. So yeah, just waiting. I don't know. Maybe I thought maybe price could sweep this high. We had this 4 hour gap, but yeah, nothing. Like, if we can go higher and maybe form a fair value gap right here to retrace to it and then target this high, that would be really nice. We are forming a 4 hour right here, so for now I'm just not doing anything on Forex and the S&P, especially because there's CPI. On gold, oh my god. Last Friday, I said I took 3 trades, but I had marked up this trade right here. yeah, it was a beautiful trade, honestly, looking back. And the reason why was that on the daily, right, we had this daily fair value gap right here. And as you can see, this candle perfectly swept the swing high right here. So I was looking to target internal liquidity in the form of this daily fair value gap. And yeah, it was so clean. Oh my god, look at this beautiful sweep right here. Beautiful sweep, form a 4 hour fair value gap, and price traded into it. We swept the previous candle high right here, which was perfect, like really perfect. We even formed a 1 hour fair value gap right here, which is like a plus 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 setup. Disrespected this bullish one as well, but it was during London session, and I didn't want to take it because we had NFP news. And yeah, we had NFP, and like I don't know why I didn't look at the charts after NFP. That's the thing. I remember like I was late at work. I had to go to work, and yeah, price was a little bit consolidating at 8 a.m. I don't know what price was doing, and I told myself, you know what? Yes, we had this price action before NFP, and I decided not to take any trades. But looking back, like I could have entered, right? I could have entered. It was a really nice trade, but decided not to enter. It is what it is. It's okay. But price is still clean as of right now. Like we disrespected the daily bullish Vega. So like we do have this order block, but like I'm looking to go lower. Honestly, like this weekly gap is not is it's just not holding. This one right here, I don't see it holding right now. It's just consolidating, and like maybe I'm going too far, but like look at this monthly candle. Like this wick could be manipulation, and we could form the body going bearish. We have 20 days to do it, and on the 3 month chart, like we are forming a fair value gap right here. So price could go lower, form a wick right here, to then form the candle. Sorry, oh my god, I can't draw. But you understand what I'm saying? Like this body can go lower to form a consolidation, to potentially go lower to the gap and then go higher. But we'll see how it plans out. It's just a sign for me that the weekly gap is just not holding. Like like 3 4 weeks just not going higher from it. So for now, I'm not looking that confidently into buys. So maybe some bearish price action. But I need to be careful because sometimes these are signs of consolidation. So I'll keep an eye on it. We formed a nice 4 hour gap to potentially target this low right here. So yeah, we'll see how it plays out. So yeah, that's it for today. It was a type of market outlook for the week type of video. The previous week I talked about how I honestly ate well. I went to the gym and I even lost 2.2 pounds, which I'm really proud of. Like it shows me that I'm working, like it's working, just eating well, going to the gym, trying to stay disciplined. But like I repeated so many times, my main issue is to wake up early and not stay up during London session. So I'm gonna end the video here so I can actually sleep and wake up early. But maybe there could be a trade tomorrow. I don't really think so. We'll see how it plays out. But mainly waiting for CPI. So that's it for today, day 8. I'll see you guys more for day 9. Thank you.